What up, Winbush here. And don't drag and drop your FBXs when you're bringing them into Unreal Engine. Instead, there's a more efficient way of getting it done. Let me show you how. So the first thing we're going to do is come up here to the top left where it says File. And then we're going to come down here where it says Import into Level. So now I'm just going to take this FBX file, click on this, and then I'm going to click on Open. And then I'm just going to put it inside of my content browser, click OK. And that's going to bring up the import scene stack, which this is new, I think the 5.6, but we're not going to click on anything else. We're just going to click on Import. And we're just going to give us a moment to cook. So it might be hard to see, but if I come over here inside of my outliner, and if I double click where it says root node, that's where we're going to have our object. So you can see I brought the Pelican in from Halo 4. That's what this is right here. And you can see that it brought everything directly inside the viewport. Now, if you drag and drop your FBX into Unreal Engine, it will bring it inside of Unreal, but it's just going to bring it into the content browser. It's not going to put it all together inside the viewport for you. And if we look inside the content browser, you can see everything is separated into pieces, right? So if we delete this and we try to bring it back together, it's just going to be all separated. But there is a way that we could combine all these pieces into one mesh. So if I come back over here inside of my outliner, I'm just going to select everything here. And then I'm going to come up here to the top where it says actor. And then I'm going to come down here to the bottom where it says merge actor. And I'm just going to click on merge. It's going to ask you to save it out. So I'm just going to name it as Pelican. Then click on save. And now you can see down here, we have a mesh and everything is in one object. So now if I left click and drag this into my viewport, you can see now we have everything in one mesh. So if I click on this one and let's just hide it, there we go. And now we can see that we just have this as one complete piece inside of Unreal Engine. So importing a 3D mesh in this method, this is going to give you the best of both worlds because you can still have access to all your individual pieces. But if you need it as one mesh, you can also merge everything together and you can work that way as well. So once again, my name is Jonathan Winbush. Subscribe if you're new. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.